Trump's new gold card. Welcome, friends, to our exciting new series, Learn English Through News. In this series, we'll explore the latest news while learning new vocabulary that will help us in everyday conversations and improve our English skills. Let's learn and grow together. Trump's new gold card, what does it mean? Imagine holding a special card that lets you live and work in the U.S., a card so exclusive that it even has Donald Trump's face on it. Sounds interesting, right? Well, that's exactly what the former U.S. president recently introduced, the $5 million gold card. This new immigration program is designed for wealthy people who want to move to the United States. By investing $5 million, they can get this special card, which gives them many of the same benefits as a green card, including the chance to become a U.S. citizen. But why is this gold card making headlines? How is it different from the old system? And what do people think about it? Let's break it down in simple terms so you can understand everything about this new golden opportunity. On April 3, 2025, President Donald Trump introduced a new immigration initiative called the $5 million gold card, also referred to as the Trump card. This program is designed for wealthy individuals who wish to live and work in the United States. By investing $5 million, applicants can obtain this gold card, which offers privileges similar to a green card and provides a pathway to U.S. citizenship. The gold card prominently features President Trump's image and signature, along with design elements inspired by U.S. currency. During the announcement aboard Air Force One, President Trump showcased the card to reporters, stating, "For $5 million, this can be yours." This new program is set to replace the existing EB-5 Immigrant Investor Program. The EB-5 program allowed foreign investors to obtain green cards by investing at least $1.05 million, or $800,000 in targeted employment areas, and creating jobs for American workers. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick emphasized that applicants for the gold card will undergo thorough vetting to ensure they are wonderful world-class global citizens. The administration anticipates that the gold card program will attract a significant number of wealthy individuals, potentially generating substantial revenue to help reduce the national debt. Estimates suggest that millions of people worldwide could afford the visa. Critics of the program argue that it favors the ultra-wealthy and may not address broader immigration issues. For example, Democratic Representative Ro Khanna pointed out that many successful entrepreneurs did not have millions of dollars when they started their businesses. The gold card visa is definitely an interesting and controversial topic. Some people think it's a great way to attract wealthy investors and boost the U.S. economy, while others believe it gives an unfair advantage to the rich and ignores other hardworking immigrants. What do you think? Do you believe the gold card is a good idea, or do you have concerns about it? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your opinions and discuss this topic together. Now, let's learn some new vocabulary to discuss this topic confidently. Prominently means in a way that stands out or is easily noticeable. For example, the president's photo was prominently displayed on the gold card. Signature means a person's name written in their own handwriting. For example, you need to put your signature on the form before submitting it. Currency means the money used in a country. For example, the design of the gold card was inspired by U.S. currency. Immigration means the process of moving to a new country to live there permanently. For example, many people go through the immigration process to get a visa. Investor means a person who puts money into a business or project to make profit. For example, the gold card is designed for investors who want to move to the U.S. Vetting means the process of carefully checking someone's background. For example, applicants for the gold card must go through a strict vetting process. Revenue means the money earned by a business or government. For example, the government hopes the gold card will bring in more revenue. National debt means the total money a country owes. For example, the U.S. wants to reduce its national debt by bringing in wealthy investors. Ultra-wealthy means extremely rich. For example, the gold card is only for the ultra-wealthy who can afford to invest millions. Entrepreneurs means people who start and run their own businesses. For example, many successful entrepreneurs began their businesses with little money. Boost means to improve or increase something. For example, the Gold Card program is expected to boost the U.S. economy. Green Card means a document that allows a person to live and work in the U.S. permanently. For example, many immigrants apply for a green card to stay in the U.S. Concerns means worries or doubts about something. For example, some people have concerns about whether the gold card is fair. Advantage means a benefit or something helpful. For example, the gold card gives an advantage to wealthy people who want to move to the U.S. Pathway means a way or route to reach a goal. For example, the gold card offers a pathway to U.S. citizenship. Privileges means special rights or benefits given to someone. For example, the gold card comes with privileges such as the ability to live and work in the U.S. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated.